Hi, I'm Dr. Stan Gross. I'd like to talk to you about our complete enzyme complex. First of all, why do you need them? I mean, I think that's an important question. Well, first of all, what do enzymes do? You have food that you take into your system, and the macronutrients are what? They're proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. But they're too large. The molecules are too large for what they are, no matter how much you chew it up, to make it through the passageways to get into the bloodstream. It won't cross the gut barrier. It won't get through in the intestines. So, we need enzymes to break them down to their smaller components. Proteins are broken down to amino acids. Sugars are broken down to saccharides, polysaccharides. And fats are broken down to lipids. And if that's all you needed enzymes for, well, that would be great, but that's not the case. Enzymes are very versatile in how they work in the body. On the other side of the equation, enzymes help with metabolism of, say, B vitamins. And B vitamins are used for what? For like the Krebs cycle. You ever heard of something called our energy currency, so that the cells can reproduce and repair themselves, ATP? Well, enzymes help with that. What about the immune system? Absolutely. Enzymes help modulate and stimulate an immune response if there is what? Inflammation. Because enzymes and coenzymes react and balance against the pro-inflammatory enzymes that the body already produces. From what? From food. And we need those. We need inflammatory hormones. We need them if we injure ourselves, if we have a disease function taking place. It's like a warning system, right? So if we become inflamed, if we run a fever, that's a sign that we're sick. If we feel pain and edema, we see redness, that's a sign of infection or injury. All of these things are modulated and controlled in part by enzymes, so they're important. And then the last thing enzymes do is they take away, they're catalysts for removal of waste from the cells and from damaged tissues. If you bruise yourself, if you break a blood vessel and you end up with this black and blue mark, well, that black and blue mark is just blood outside its normal area. Now, it takes enzymes to break that down so that the body can utilize it in a more useful fashion. It helps to heal things. It helps to debride the wound. Our complete enzyme complex is not just for breaking down proteins and not just for breaking down sugars. It's a comprehensive enzyme formula that works as all enzymes do in nature in food, what you find in tropical plants like papaya, pineapple, watermelon, what you find in protein sources such as beans or eggs or beef. This is all plant-based, however, and it works extremely well in the American diet, which is what? It's devoid of enough enzymes to get the job done. How does that happen? Well, if we add artificial colors, artificial sweeteners, artificial flavors, preservatives, all of these things lead to somewhat of a toxic effect in the body. And enzymes tend to break down that toxic effect and carry it out of the body. If your diet is poor, can you say that many Americans have a poor diet? You certainly can. So this helps utilize the food that we do take in much better. Also, if you're dieting, if you're trying to lose weight, if you want to reach satiety, that is to say, a feeling of satisfaction much sooner, enzymes will help you reach that point much quicker. So who needs these? I'll bet you do. So, do you have any questions? Please There's a place on the website to post your questions. I look forward to reading them and answering them. And there's a chance I'll be in a town very near you soon, and we get to meet one another, and I look forward to that. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.